What's going on, pranksters? Here we are once again with another gaming setup. That's right, everything that you see right here on this desk I will be putting together and creating an Xbox Series X gaming setup. But before we get to that, let me announce the winner of the toner microphone giveaway.
Alright pranksters, the microphone that is up for grabs is the Q9 mic from Toner. It can be used for gaming, but it also makes for a great podcasting mic. So let's head over to commentpicker.com and choose a winner. Congratulations Cameron the GOAT, you will be getting a Toner Q9 microphone. Remember that it does pay off to follow me on Instagram at real_Nextraker. I'll have more giveaways on there coming soon.
Now guys, as far as the giveaways for this video, check it out. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will be giving away this Coolify personal air conditioner, which I will be unboxing later on in this video. Now, if this video gets 20,000 likes, the winner will get one of these, an Xbox Series X, just like the box in front of me. And at 50,000 likes, the winner will get the exact same gaming setup that I'm about to build. So to enter these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me which is better, the Xbox Series X or the PlayStation 5. Get creative with your responses, guys. Alright then, let's get to building this Xbox Series X gaming setup. Alright, so as always we gotta start off with the desk because that's where everything will be going on top of. And so here we have this not so common desk actually, although it does have a hook for our headsets obviously, and then it's got a drink holder over here on the opposite end, and both of those features are very important to have on a gaming desk. So we get both of those on this desk. But also what I like is the back, it's got holes for better cable management and it has RGB capabilities. It comes with a USB cable which I'm about to plug in, and once plugged in all I gotta do is press the on button and check it out, it's on. We do get some lighting with this desk, so it does stand out a little bit more than your basic gaming desk. To add more color to this desk, I'm gonna place my Next gaming mat on there. This was given to me by one of my fans. This outside monitor will be placed in the middle, right in the back. So far it's looking pretty cool, right guys? Well, it's gonna shape up to look even better. And I say that because now we get to bring out the Xbox Series X, and that I will be placing on the left side of the desk. It'll take its spot right here, very accessible, and it kind of does match my gaming mat. So far my color scheme is looking good. And no guys, this is not a mini fridge. This is an Xbox Series X. These NJSJ speakers will go right on the back, right next to the monitor. Not only will they give me better sound when I want to listen to music or if I don't want to use my headphones, but also its RGB functions will make this gaming setup look even better. So let's go ahead and put these in their place. One on the left side and the other in the right side.
I brought out my all-black Maxnomic gaming chair. This is by far my favorite chair, not only because it's branded with my custom logo, but also because its comfort level is above the rest. This chair goes with any gaming setup.
Now let's get to more decor for the desk, and this is an Xbox lamp. It's powered through USB or batteries. It's very basic. It's got a little stand, which is what I'm gonna be using, but it can also be hung up on a wall. And all I do is press this button and it lights up, and you'll see it in full effect once I dim the lights or turn them off completely. This will go on the corner next to the speakers. This right here is a twin personal fan that I was gonna use for this setup, but I decided not to because where I live right now is very hot and this will not do. I need something more powerful.
Check it out guys, this is the Coolify hands-free personal air conditioner from Toras. This is the first time that I actually ever unboxed something as awesome as this gadget. The first thing I noticed as soon as I popped open the box was the giant black Easter egg. No guys, I'm just kidding. It's no Easter egg, that's just the epic packaging that Toras provided with the air conditioner. So let's go ahead and crack open the shell, and so far at this point I was thinking, wow, I'm getting some headphones because the protective cover sure does make it look like that's what's underneath it. Once I pulled that out, I was still thinking there was a pair of headphones in there. So basically here guys, we get the user guide, which does come with a lot of helpful information about the product. Underneath that, we get a white USB to USB-C cable. That is what we'll be using for charging purposes. And once fully charged, this personal AC can run for 8 consecutive hours on its lowest speed. With this, we also get a carrying pouch, which to me does look like a long fancy sock. Now we finally get to the Coolify personal AC, and again, just by looking at it, you would think it's a pair of headphones, but believe me guys, if you live in a hot area, for example me, I live in Phoenix, a pair of these during summertime will be essential to staying cool. This is a wearable personal air conditioner that you can take anywhere. It's very fashionable, and with its double vent design, provides 360 degrees of cooling. It will lower your body temperature by many degrees when you're in a hot environment. So it's well worth the $150 these go for on Amazon. I have provided links in the description if you want to get your own. Just look at Wolfo here. He is gonna be gaming while literally chilling on the chair thanks to the Toras Coolify personal air conditioner. And just like I said guys at the start of this video, I will be giving away a pair of these once this video gets 1,000 likes.
Last but not least, here we have these Novastella floodlights, and I'm only going to use one of them just to give this setup a little bit more color. So this I will place on the back and it'll be ready once I fire everything up. And pretty much we are done guys. This is one of our games that we'll be playing. Here's the Xbox Series X controller. For snacks, here we have a Pepsi and a chocolate bar that I was recently introduced to, and this stuff is yummy guys, so we'll have this as a snack. It'll be handy right there. And so that is our entire gaming setup guys. We got everything we need. We have the chair, we got the personal AC right there, Xbox Series X, speakers, a monitor, a desk that lights up, a light right behind it, other lighting accessories, snacks. Again, let's recap. If this video gets 1,000 likes, the winner will get a personal AC that they can wear around their neck to keep them cool. If this video gets 20,000 likes, the winner will get an Xbox Series X, just like the one you see right there. And if this video gets 50,000 likes, the winner will get the entire setup that you see right here. So to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. Good luck pranksters, I'll see you guys in my next video.